GMG Squizzle.
What up, GMG Squizzle? What up?
Squad.
Okay. Squad.
So as y'all can see by that thumbnail, by that title, that we about to make our own homemade pizzas for dinner. Actually, it's gonna be like a snack because they're mini crust pizzas from Aldi's, and I get the sauce.
Yes.
I'll get the cheese out of there.
So yeah, pizza.
And I got turkey pepperoni. This all was together. Like I didn't have to go searching all these. It was like right together. Like it was perfect. Like I was like, let's do pizza. They had literally all this together like in the aisle. I'm like,
right,
man.
all together. It was calling your name.
Now I got some Colby Jack cheese. I feel like this cheese gives it more of a cheese pull. I don't really want to do
The
mozzarella.
gives it a cheese pull.
It do, but it's too chewy. Mozzarella's chewy. See if I got some Colby Jack back there. I don't want to really. I don't want mozzarella.
Personal.
Scoop that ground turkey up because I'm gonna forget that it's in there, and I don't want the ground turkeys. I already made ground turkey burgers tomorrow or something. Some homemade cheeseburgers. What y'all doing, y'all? We about to make these pizzas, call it a day, and chill.
Yeah, we got cheddar in here.
That's if y'all want some more cheese on y'all pizza. Y'all can use whatever pizza y'all want to use. I'm just gonna only use the Colby Jack, y'all, because I am lactose intolerant, and this cheese do not hurt my stomach, and I'll be having a lot of gas off of it. Okay. And so we got some regular marinara sauce. I took my acid peel, so the ones who got acid, you know. I take our acid pills, and I got a green pepper because I want green peppers on my pizza. Mine might want some of hers, but I want some green peppers on mine for sure.
So y'all, and Mama, we gonna melt some butter and put some garlic powder in it for the crust.
I don't want
some butter in the crust.
No, so we can just melt it after it's done. We can pour it on it after it's done. You want some big piece or you want yours small, Mike?
Not too big.
We can just melt it after and pour it on our pizza when we all done. We don't have to bake it in there. Now you can open up the pizza though and like lay it inside the pan. We got can y'all see the pan, y'all? Show them the pan right here while I'm cutting the peppers.
The pan.
So that's the pan, y'all. We're about to just make our own. Hold on. We're about to make our own pizza inside the flat pan. I might can't sit. I just really dislike the fact I can't see it. But we working with what we working with, y'all, pretty much. You know what I mean? We doing what we need to do. I'm cutting up the bell pepper because I want bell peppers on mine. I want mine's pretty big because I want green vegetables. Granny might not want none on his. Mine just probably want hers to be a little smaller. I don't know.
Gotta protect my place.
I'll probably. Hold on, y'all. Now we're doing it in here. We're not gonna lay it on the counter. We're gonna do it. Y'all, they can't even see us. Like, that's crazy. No, we just cut. Like my head covered the camera. Then. No, I don't. How did you drop that?
They just dropped on my foot.
No, y'all. So we gonna reposition this camera because y'all. I should put tie my hair up. That's why I had my hair up. I'm doing my own sauce. Should we all do our own sauce?
This year, good news.
Here,
That's the money. As much as you like it, you can have whatever you like. Said you can have whatever you like. Yeah.
Y'all, we don't got no room, but y'all
Who
can see.
booted?
Not me.
I pass gas, but I don't feel like. I
So
don't
you
feel
don't
like.
feel like you need to say excuse me.
No, I don't feel like it was like that. I didn't hate
You
it.
just didn't feel like it was just, you know, you just didn't, you know.
Don't matter.
Right, it just didn't matter
No.
at all.
Y'all, my pizza look great. You can get some more on here. Put some more back on.
You made it small, bro.
Look how mine look, y'all. Look like an extra.
You got a deluxe.
Yeah, I got a Supreme. Maya got hers too. This is hers.
So I'm about to make, what is it called? A deep dish Italian pizza?
And what she
Or whatever it's called.
You about to use both cheeses?
Yeah. So,
Okay.
what I'm
Mine's a
doing,
deep dish
guys.
too. Look how mine's look. I'm about to make our garlic butter right now. I'm about to use natural butter with garlic powder. So when it's done, we can just
You know.
automatically pour it out. Just pour it on there and call it a day.
So I'm putting all these pepperonis in there first. Because that's how it is. So then when the cheese pull happen, you can have pepperoni to bite with it. See, guys? I remember I used to just buy pepperonis and just eat them.
No, but she used to eat like the regular pork pepperoni. Used to really like them. Greedy did it too. Like y'all had, I mean, you know, y'all both had y'all phases, like the chicken fries phases, your chicken.
Oh my
nuggets.
gosh, chicken nuggets and fries made that was crazy.
Yeah, Greedy definitely like.
Yeah, Greedy definitely got his chicken nuggets and fries made.
Yeah, it's like saying, okay, so you can kind of lift. Well, we can talk for a moment like why it's down there, then we can just sit and chit chat with them while it's cooking. And I gotta get my hair placed tomorrow. I don't like when y'all don't put the bowls back in order inside of you when you make the dish.
That reminds me, we need to do a confessionals.
Huh?
We need to do a confessionals.
I might have to throw the potatoes away because they've been sitting right here forever. Whatever. When you have unsalted butter, you can season your butter how you like it. You know what I mean? So versus you getting butter that's already salty and then you don't like it. And you can't even do what you want to do. So I'm gonna stick the butter inside the oven. It's gonna cook it faster. So let me get another. Really feel like this time, please. Can't even go. It's just too small for all of us to put in here. Yeah. So y'all about to put the butter in here, stick it in the oven, and make our own butter to go over the pizza. I'm doing this whole butter stick so we can have our pizza to be
Buttery and parmesan.
It ain't nothing like your own butter and parm. So look, put that garlic in there. Ain't no certain way to do that. Just do it just like that.
Ooh, how you going?
Here, Mike. Do it, baby. Stick it, baby. Stick it right up, y'all. I'm put a little water in. A little tap water, just a little bit. Let's put over. Huh?
Do it go behind the food?
Right here. Just make sure it goes in the front. You know that? Okay, y'all. So,
You told me?
huh? Yeah. You look and let me. Do I gotta tell y'all everything? Look. She like, you ain't tell me about jalapenos. Look. Okay, y'all.
Greedy just messed up.
Make sure you throw that top away too much. She like to put jalapenos on hers, and I'm not. Once we get off the pizza, we're gonna show y'all how our pizzas look. And the next time we do something like this, y'all, we're gonna have the setting way better because I know y'all wanna see what we're doing. We like, it's crazy how we doing it. Y'all
Look at her
can't see.
face. His face.
I ain't making no face. We just, she's trying to make faces. Make sure this closed up, Gritty, all the way to the refrigerator. So look, y'all. Can y'all see?
Everybody's on food?
Is that right on? That
I'm talking
pizza,
about my pea side, bro.
that pizza
But
smell
y'all
good.
is real good.
Don't that pizza smell good?
The garlic butter?
That's probably garlic butter smell. No, it smells good.
Yeah, the
Sit over
pizza
mine.
ain't gonna smell.
We stack it on fun. Say mine.
My mom been finna say that.
No, just say
We
it.
grabbed us and say y'all be stacking from funny funnel cakes per usual.
So we got some more, y'all. This all these it was $3. So this butter palm, y'all, I'm gonna pour it all over our pieces. See, look, I put it right in the oven. Y'all can't really see it, but y'all gonna see me. Y'all don't be in the comments like she hard on her kids. I'm not. I hate nonsense. Y'all, and the pieces looking really, really good. Like, look at how the pizza looks. My camera, like,
Really, really? Cool.
so y'all can see it.
It's sticking out there.
Oh. It's almost done. I just want the bread to cook. See, look. I turned the light on. Oh, y'all, I'm so close to it.
Mine look better than all y'all.
Y'all, I got the light on. The light show.
I'm playing. I'm surprised you didn't get that.
No, I did. I heard it. Pizza's almost ready, y'all. So we got like 4. I said 4 more minutes, y'all. So you guys. So I'm gonna set it for 4 more minutes because.
My jalapenos, they're the strongest in the world.
Yeah, no, they banana peppers too.
Mine too.
So you ain't getting
They
none of
banana
your pizza.
Oh,
So the pieces are done.
Lord.
So the pieces are done.
Look, pizza pie.
We gonna show y'all a closer look.
Y'all, it really only takes a few minutes.
Seriously.
So, and then it's fun too, and then it's so much better than just going broke at that pizza place all the time. But no, we just like thin crust. Look.
My business.
It's good. Oh, well, Greedy already eating. Show them what you're doing. Okay, so tell them how it tastes.
It's like,
You want your pizza?
no.
What's that like?
It's like,
Little Caesars?
nope, not at all.
Really, what?
It's like flavored cardboard.
What?
Well, that's because you only got pepperoni and cheese, but now leave.
He said flavored cardboard is crazy.
Yeah, that's just.
Mike, hope the pizza not all over. I'm gonna cut you this kind of sharp. But our pieces cooled down pretty good. And y'all gonna lift it, yeah, gonna lift it up a little. Huh?
Yes, y'all.
How it taste? Well, we all got our own taste buds and palates and stuff. I might not like it or I might like it. Well, that's good. Mm-hmm. It's good to me. You know, just like no cardboard either.
Mm-hmm. What is it? What happened?
Y'all, I miss a smooth 8.9. I like it. It's good. I can make this for y'all like on a little day when I just want to do homemade pieces. I like it. 10 out of 10. Do it again. For sure. What I said 9. No, I said 8.5 or 9 or something.
You
I don't
said smooth 8.
Smooth 8. Meaning that I could add more vegetables on there. Next time I'm doing black olives. Yes, black olives. And I got these peanut butter crackers, y'all, to eat too tonight because I'm about to snack and chill. We love you guys. We're to 2 million subscribers. I know this video was all over the place and the camera, that is so crazy if you're the bird while I'm trying to talk. But you're human, so let it out. But
It's already done.
she about to put ranch on there, so yeah, listen, this piece is getting pizza. And y'all look, Mike, can I please talk before move
I
this?
didn't.
Move your plate over. Yeah, that's crazy. Let me end the video with it like something like. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Whenever I or we upload videos, and she gonna put down at the bottom of this video like all our social media that we want y'all to know and follow. Anyways, y'all, let me cover it because I feel like it look bad. But we out.
We out, y'all.